Welcome to my channel, Nanny Quiz! Today, we're playing your favorite game, Choose Your Gift Box. Are you excited? Well, you should be because it's gonna be fun. But hey, quick shout out, comment superstar alert. We are pinning the best comment of the day. So keep those comments coming and you might be in the spotlight next time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun, more quizzes and even more challenges you love. Alright, let the fun begin. Home sweet home. Choose your house. Cozy or classy? Light it up. Choose your lamp. Vintage or modern? Walk it fierce. Choose your heels. Bold or elegant? Bloom time. Choose your flowers. Fresh pick or fancy? Pucker up. Choose your lipstick. Glossy or matte? Shade check. Choose your sunglasses. Sleek or funky? Trend alert! Choose your sneakers. Comfy or colorful? Step bold. Choose your boots. Rugged or glam? Sweet treat. Choose your cupcake. Chocolate or rainbow? Bite time. Choose your burger. Stacked or spicy? TikTok. Choose your watch. Classic or digital? Sip in style. Choose your Starbucks cup. Hot or iced? Jet set ready. Choose your plane. Luxury or speed? Yummy, yummy. Choose your donuts. Frosted or filled? Say cheese. Choose your camera. Vintage or 4K? Make a wish. Choose your birthday cake. 1 layer or 5? Roll it right. Choose your toilet paper. Soft or super soft? Stay stylish. Choose your mask. Cute or cool? Smell amazing. Choose your perfume. Floral or sweet? Luxury vibes. Choose your yacht. Sleek or massive? Nail game strong. Choose your nails. Sparkly or simple? Ink it up. Choose your tattoo. Minimal or bold? Cool down. Choose your ice cream. Pick your flavor. Grab the glam. Choose your handbag. Mini or oversized? Top it off. Choose your hat. Fancy or fun? Dress to impress. Choose your dress. Chic or cute? Write it smooth. Choose your pen. Gel or ink? Shine on. Choose your jewelry. Simple or stunning? Rain or shine, choose your umbrella. Colorful or clear?
You like it? Smash that like. Drop a comment below. Share it with your bestie and don't forget to subscribe.